In this video, we're going to explain how to set some hierarchy between the two managers. We know that manager 1, ID01, and manager ID02 both have the same programming capability. But let's say we don't want ID02 to have the same level of programming that ID01 has. So we can change that. So how we do that is we press the menu button and we scroll down to System Menu and press OK. And now this function can only be set by the supercode holder. So enter your supercode, ID00. Now we scroll until we see Set ID01 to Master. So I scroll through here until I can find that entry. There it was there. Set ID01 to Master and press OK. Now, what that means is we've set up a hierarchy now between ID01 and ID02. ID01 is the master. They still have all functionality of programming that they had previously. ID02 has only a subset of the management functions. So let's go take a look at what ID02 now has. So press the menu button. I scroll down to System Menu and press OK. Then I enter my ID02 code because I want to see what management functions he now has. And now I press down and I can see Change Code. He can change his own code. He can see the audit trail. He can check the system information. He can show the clock time. He can see the timer. He can disable a user, enable a user, delete a user, or enroll a user. And that's it. So instead of having all of those functions where he could set time delay and he could set timetables and all of that stuff, he can only do those things. So it's user management really is all he can do. Add a user, change his own code, disable a user, delete a user, enable a user. And that's about all. He can view audit trail as well. So we've really stripped down the programming capability of the second manager such that they can just really do user management. If you wanted to revert that and go back to, so the ID01 and 02 are both the same level, they have all the same functions, then you go back to that same menu, but now it'll say set ID01 to manager instead of master. So we do that by going in here with the supercode again. And now we're going to look for set ID01 to manager as opposed to master. There it is there. We press OK. And now ID01 and ID02 have the same management functions. So when we go into the system menu with the ID02 login, we can see that they can change their code. They can show audit trail. They could see that before. They can download audit trail. They couldn't do that before. They can see system information, show clock time, daylight savings time, set clock time or set time. They can do everything. Set holidays, maximum door, everything that they can do. Same as ID01. So we've eliminated all of this fancy programming from ID02 when we do set ID01 to master. The way to remember that is both ID1 and ID2 have the same management functions. But if we want to change the hierarchy, we want to make ID01 so that it has all the stuff and ID02 doesn't have as much programming capability. We're setting ID01 so they're the master of this lock. Okay? Set ID01 to master. That is the ProLogic system from SECURAM Systems.